Hello dear students, today we'll be discussing the third agricultural practices, that is addition of manure and fertilizer. During cultivation of crops, nutrients gets depleted from the soil. So to replenish the lost nutrients in the soil, manure and fertilizers are mixed. All of you are aware that if a particular type of crop is grown for years on a particular land, it will become barren because a specific type of nutrients will be lost from that soil. So to make it fertile again, manure and fertilizers are added. There are certain differences between manure and fertilizers. So we are discussing here the differences. First point is manure is an organic substance that is derived from animal and plant waste. It is prepared in fields only. That means organic substance is derived from living organisms. Living organisms are animals and plants. So their residue or the waste is decomposed and manure is produced. First point in fertilizer is that it is man-made chemical, or you can say inorganic substance that is rich in nutrients, and it is prepared in factories. So fertilizer is man-made and it is prepared in factories by the help of chemicals. So it is not organic, it is inorganic. Manure, second point is it is rich in organic nutrients but not rich in nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Fertilizer, it is rich in inorganic nutrients like NPK, that is nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Actually manure mainly contains carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, these type of things. That is organic elements, or you can say organic salts. But inorganic salts are nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, which are present in fertilizers. Next point of difference is manure is quite bulky and difficult to transport. It is not easy to transport manure from one place to another, whereas fertilizers can be transported from one place to another because small packets can be made of fertilizers and they can be taken from one place to another. Next point of difference is manure is not harmful but may not be helpful to remove specific nutrient deficiencies from the soil. Whereas fertilizer, continuous use of fertilizers increases crop production but can lead to soil and water pollution. So manure will not provide a particular type of nutrient in the soil, but it is not harmful also for the soil. Whereas fertilizer is harmful as it causes pollution, and continuous use of fertilizer may also deplete the soil quality. Another point of difference is manure increases the water holding capacity of the soil. That means the soil retains the water for more time, and the water will not percolate very fast from the soil. It improves the soil texture also and make it porous. That means it allows the gaseous exchange also between the soil and root of the crop. Fertilizer, overuse of fertilizer can make the soil less fertile in long run. That means that I have told you before also that if we are overusing fertilizer, or we are using it for several years, then it can make the soil infertile. Next point is manure is not soluble in water, thus absorbed by plants slowly. Manure is sparingly soluble or less soluble in water, so it gets absorbed by the plants slowly, whereas a fertilizer dissolved in water readily, very fastly, so it quickly gets absorbed by the plants. Example of manure is compost, which is obtained by the decomposition of dead plants and animals, and example of fertilizer is urea, ammonium sulfate, potash, etc.